The first step in solving an inequality is to write it in the standard form. An inequality is in a standard form if it is written in such a way that the zero is on the right-hand side. In our example, an inequality is already in the standard form. It's x squared plus 4x on the left-hand side and 0 on the right-hand side. Since I need to solve this inequality graphically, I need to introduce the function, graph that function, and use the graph to solve the inequality. So we'll take the left-hand side of the inequality and call it f of x. So we'll define the function f of x as x squared plus 4x. I want to graph this function to use it to solve the inequality. Now this function is a quadratic function, and therefore its graph is a parabola that opens up since the coefficient of x squared is equal 1. It's positive. So to graph this function, I will find the zeros of that function, the x-intercepts, and therefore I need to solve the equation x squared plus 4x is equal 0. Factoring out x gives me x times x plus 4 equals 0, and therefore x is 0 or x is equal negative 4. So 0 and negative 4 are the intercepts, x-intercepts. I know that parabola opens up, therefore the graph of that parabola is going to go like this. Now I really don't care where is the vertex, because when solving inequality we are only looking for the parts that are below x-axis and above x-axis. So we want x squared plus 4x to be less than 0. So I'm looking for the parts of the graph that are below x-axis because I want the f of x to be negative. And the part that is below x-axis is right here. This part is obtained when values of x are in the interval from negative 4 to 0. Neither negative 4 or 0 will be included because at those points x squared plus 4x is exactly equal 0. So we can say that x squared plus 4x is less than 0 if x is in the interval from negative 4 to 0.